Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is another wig install. My hair is out because I had tape-ins in and I just braided my hair back. I legit look like a boy right now, and my hair actually grew again, guys. Like, let's check. Quick 1 2 length check. Right, it grew because I did cut it the other day. But yeah, anyways, so this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me a bob unit. I'm gonna be showing you guys how the unit looks. So this is the unit. I went ahead and honestly, I did not even pluck this wig. I didn't do anything to this wig. It came bleached. Didn't bleach it, didn't pluck it, because I was just like, I'm feeling a bit lazy and I don't want to do anything extra, so I'm gonna put it on as it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my install. I don't think I'll be doing my ball cap because I don't care for all the extras. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using the stocking cap that they sent to me. This is what came inside the package. So the bag that the wig came in, the stocking cap, this little mini pouch that has, like, I think it has a mirror, the head tie, and a baby edge brush, and that's it pretty much. That's all they sent. I'm gonna go ahead and do the install while you guys watch.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true, dear. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is mine and a million. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on
new killers, shot, tell them, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, tell them this, did he miss, Junior Watanabe on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, all summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and now it's like we planned it. Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, tell him this, did he miss, Junior Watanabe on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior Watanabe on my, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, we took both, we took both.
Okay guys, so this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys want to purchase this wig, then definitely check that out. This is actually my first time putting on a wig with absolutely nothing, like no baby hairs, no gel, no glue, no spray, nothing. Like literally just cut the lace and left it on my head. Who you know? Who you know? And it looks like my real hair. Like, who you know? You know? Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.